Meaning of flirtation.
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 Flirtation. Flirtation refers to playful or light-hearted behavior that is intended to signal romantic or sexual interest in someone. It often includes non-verbal cues such as eye contact, smiling, and physical touch, as well as verbal teasing and compliments. The outcome of flirtation can vary widely depending on the individuals involved and their intentions. In some cases, it may lead to a romantic relationship or sexual encounter, while in others it may simply be a fun and harmless interaction between friends or acquaintances. Regardless of the outcome, flirtation is generally considered a natural and enjoyable aspect of human interaction.